Fearing the upcoming COVID wave? Drink this tea regularly to escape from any kind of virus infections. Ingredients: guava leaves, 5. Neem leaves, 10. Tulsi leaves, 20. Papaya leaves, 2. Country borage leaves, 5. Black pepper, 10. Cumin seeds, 1 teaspoon. Palm sugar, to taste. Preparation method: wash all the leaves and boil it in clean water. Once it starts to color the water, add pepper and cumin. Let it boil for a couple of minutes and strain the decoction. Add palm sugar and drink twice a week regularly for 1 month. And don't forget to wash your hands regularly. Keep a good distance from sick people. Wear a quality mask to protect yourself from the virus. Stay safe and healthy. Thank you for watching Wanderlust videos. Please subscribe, enable notifications, like, share and comment.